Hello everybody, my name's Martin. I work in the science department at Wilberforce Sixth Form College. I'm one of the science technicians. Now, the two of us, we have two technicians here at the college in the science department. We work very hard with science teachers to ensure that the students' teaching and learning is really good. We help the teachers plan and prepare really high quality practical work and investigations that are stimulating, that are exciting and above all are challenging to the students to support them in their journey through science and on into finishing college and going into employment, higher education, whatever. I take great pleasure in working with the students and trying to do innovative and interesting scientific things. What I want to show you today is an experiment you can do in your kitchen. Now, it's not dangerous, it's quite low hazard ish, but do be careful. But it involves this, which is acetic acid, and this chemical, which is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, now, believe it or not, you do have this in your kitchen cabinet, because acetic acid is otherwise known as malt vinegar. Okay, so that's vinegar, and sodium hydrogen carbonate is commonly known as baking soda. So most kitchens will have this. You can get these from your local shop. Now I've got a little bottle here. I want to show you the reaction. It's quite a vigorous one. I'm just giving it a little wipe because I've just washed this out. Now there's a bit of the baking soda in there, and I'm going to add a bit of vinegar, and I'm going to close the top. I'm going to show you what the reaction looks like. It's quite a vigorous reaction. So top on, give it a shake. I'm just going to leave that there and let it react, okay? And I want you to keep an eye on that while I'm starting to prepare what I'm also going to do. If you notice the background I've got behind me is just, oh, there you go, that was a bit tame. Hang on, let's do this. Come on, mister. Right, let's... There you go. Now do try this in your kitchen at home. Apart from the fact I've now got vinegar all over my ceiling, okay, and I smell of it. But that's fine, it's Friday today, so it could be fish and chip day. Anyway, now you saw how vigorous that reaction was. Now, it's going to wipe a little bit. Acetic acid will react with the hydrogen carbonate. It will split the hydrogen carbonate ion into water and into carbon dioxide gas. And that's what you saw escaping. Now, any of you kids in year 10, you'll be coming to us in the summer. We'll do a year 10 taster where you design and build rockets powered by that. This is actually one of the rocket motors we use. And you saw how it went off. But if you feel a little more gently, if you look at my background, I've got a lava lamp. Very restful. Not lovely, yeah? I could sit and watch it all day. But anyway, on the big screen here in the lab. Okay, anyway, I'm going to show you how to make your own lava lamp, which you can do in the safety of your own kitchen. Okay, now, you could just use an old jam jar. I've got a conical flask, so I work in a science lab and I've got loads of science stuff. Now what I've done in there is I've put about a teaspoon of baking soda at the bottom, and what you can see there is vegetable oil. It's just normal common garden vegetable oil. What I've got here is a beaker with some food colouring in, and I've mixed in some vinegar. Now what I'm going to do is this is going to show good science. Pour this in here, and you can see it goes down the bottom. And I'm just going to move it in close to the camera so you can see it really well. Okay, now this is going to start reacting. Give it a little swirl. Okay, you can see the bubbles of gas already starting to cut through the oil, and any moment now that food colouring is going to start rising up. So the bubbles of gas drag bits of the food colouring up, and as the vinegar reacts with the hydrogen carbonate, it's a little bit sluggish, it's okay. I've got it on this lamp here. I've got a towel on the lamp just in case it goes a bit strange. Okay, right, here we go, it's starting to go now. That's going really well. And if you look, so there's your homemade lava lamp, you can see the bubbles going up, coming back down, going up, coming back down. It's going really nicely now. Unfortunately, the proper lava lamp is powered by electricity and will go as long as you turn it off. It's the same principle though. Now the reason why it works is the fact that the oil and the water with the acetic acid and the sodium hydrogen carbonate don't mix. The two are what we call in science immiscible. They're unmixable. So they form this mixture that doesn't mix. Now, I've got some really groovy pink foam coming off the top. Now, I'm going to have to be really careful because this is obviously an electric light, but that's okay. I'm a scientist. One of the things we do, as well as exciting practicals and stimulating work for the students, is safety. Safety is absolutely prime consideration. So I've got my safety glasses on and I'm being really careful with this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the other thing I can do with this, which is really rather good. Now I'm just going to move that light out of the way, put that down there so you can see it. Now, you can do it with all sorts of food colouring, and I'm just going to show you now some others I've prepared there. I'll just move Mr. Tap out of the way. There we are, and you should get a good shot of these. So I've got 3 more set up here. So I'm just going to, in short order, put the vinegar food colouring mixes in, and let's get these going. Okay, so we can have a right proper rainbow of homemade lava lamps. So we've got chemical reactions going on between reaction compounds that form gases. Okay, give each one a shake. We've got some lovely colours forming here. Okay, I'll add the one that I've already prepared. I'll put that on the end there, so we've got all 5 of them in a row. There you go, so that's really rather nice. So the colours are just normal food colouring, and the oil, you know, this is just taken really very little to put together. But like I say, here at Wilberforce we do everything we can to ensure the students get a really good education, really well supported, and just give this all a good mix and get them going. So you can try this at home in your kitchen. Like I say, you could just use a jam jar or something. So there you have it. Okay, so you look after yourselves, take care, and we'll see you very soon at Wilberforce Sixth Form College. This is Martin signing off. Bye bye.